Hello and welcome to Paul Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing Nature Valley Crunchy Peanut Butter Bars. I've already had these many times, but I thought I'd give them a review. So I'm going to open it up, and inside the package there's two crunchy bars. They're similar to granola bars. So here's the two bars you get. There's some peanut butter on top, as well as mixed in with the granola. So let's give it a review. These bars are very crunchy. The peanut butter gives a lot of good flavor. There's also some saltiness from the peanuts. Like I've said, I've had these many times, so I already know that I like them. They have a bunch of other flavors too besides peanut butter, but I think peanut butter might be my favorite one. On my scale, I'm going to rate them out of 10. For these peanut butter bars, I give them 8.5. These are very good. The peanut butter gives it a little bit of sweetness, and it's so crunchy, it's very good. And I'll definitely recommend buying them and trying some of the other flavors they have too. And I might review the other flavors too.